Welcome guys. iQOO 9 Pro is one of the cell phones made by Vivo which was released recently. And this time I will unboxing with the phone that I'm holding right now. This phone has a color version that is quite attractive in collaboration with one of the motosport brands, namely BMW M. Interestingly, this phone has been equipped with Qualcomm's fastest chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1st. With internal and display screens as well as a very luxurious body design for the flagship class. Likewise, the rear camera module design really gives the impression of the current flagship. Alright, that's all a little review I can give with this phone. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.